The first thing we need to check is the 32 amp plug. This is located on the side of the generator. Please ensure the 32 amp plug is connected to the appliance inlet. Next, we need to check the MCB and the RCD on the generator. Check all MCBs and the RCD are in the up position. Next, we need to check the consumer unit located above the worktop. Check all MCBs and the RCD are in the up position. If all are in the up position and there is still no power, press the test button on the RCD located on the generator. If this does not trip the RCD, you will need to call out an engineer to diagnose the issue.